Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you step by step how to design a product using Canva. Even if you are a total beginner, whether you want to create a t-shirt design, mock print, social media mockup or product level, this guide will help you get started and bring your idea to life. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, what actually is Canva product design? So first, Canva is not just for social posts. It is a powerful tool for creating real product design like t-shirt graphics, stickers, business card, packaging, mock-up for online store. You design it in Canva, then export the file for printing or selling. Super easy and super accessible. So as you can see, we are already in our Canva and we have an account. That's why our interface looking like this. But when you will come to Canva, you will get something like this interface where you will get see that what will design today. With Canva you can design, generate, work on anything. So here you can see this is the sample. You can create poster, resume, whiteboard, logos, special, socials, docs, presentation, and even you can create website videos also. So you can take help from artificial intelligence also with the Canva. So this feature is available in Canva. Next, the great thing is that Canva is completely free. So as a beginner, you don't have to cost anything. You can just start with the Canva. You just need to be click over here, get Canva free, and then just go with any of them. You are good to go. So once you create your account, then you will land it to here, and here you are allowed to actually start your design. So you just need to be open Canva and create a new design for you. Here you can see that we are already here, and you just need to pick a size once you come over here. So we can see some template here. So let's search for product template and then hit enter, and here actually we will find out a couple of product design over there. Plus as you can see it, so it's totally depend on which product you are all in, and I think this shoes product will be pretty much good. So I will click on this customize the design, or you can start from the scratch. If you feel that you want to start from the scratch, just click to the add page, and now you are able to start from the scratch. So here we are going to start from the scratch. So I am going to design a thing. So let's go and let's do it. So I will click come back to the shapes. Here I will paste it here, and I will increase the size, and then I will rotate it. Like I am just going to make this design with different products. So let's go and try this one. So I will rotate this as I want. So I will come back to this one, these options, just this way, and I will increase the size here to there. So here you can see it's placed perfectly. So I am going to place it as I want. I'll increase the size, decrease the size, and then rotate it, and then place it again, rotate it. You just need to be place it perfectly so the design looks good. So let's increase the size, and let's do the same things with the design. Now it will place perfectly. Now I am going to lock this one, so no one can like drag and drop here. Now you can see there is nothing will happen if I place anything here. So I am going to give the design again. I will make the increase the size, and let's fix it here. Let's increase this one, and now I think it's properly okay. So I will place it this way, so it's okay. Now I will come back to this one, and similarly I am going to lock this one also, and now I am going to place another one in here. So let's place it here, and then I am going to change the color, and here I am going to place this one just this way. Here I just need to be paste it here, rotate this one, as it I want. So here you can see I am going to place it as I want. So I will place this way, and I think now it's look good. So here you can see it. There is a problem. I found out that the design was something was different, so I will make the design proper good. Just click to the edit. Okay, this one will be the image, so this is not an image, so I will go to the product and search for sunglasses, and let's hit enter, and I will copy any of them sunglasses from that place. Let's find out the free one. Okay, let's see. I think all are pro, that is the problem, so I think this one will be good. Okay, this one is pro, but let's try to use it. So here you can see we are going to place this one, but we can copy this one and then paste it here. And now actually you can see that our image has been placed perfectly. So I am just going to copy this one and then place it here. This is one of the image, so that's the thing. Next, you just need to place any text here. So I am going to place an text, discount offer, and then you can change the font over that place. So I am going to change the font. Just click to the canvas sense, and here you just need to find out your desired font, and then you can add effect over that place. There is a curve options we have. You can carve the text if you feel that you want to carve. Then here I am going to place something like shop now. Just place it here, shop now, and then I will make changes. So here I will make it this. Then I am going to change this speak, and I will increase the size of the text. And now I think it was good, and I will make it inside the box. And here you can see we have discount up to 30%. Just click, just make it like place and shapes over that place. So I will shape it here. Here actually you can see it. So I am going to place it wisely. Now I will select this one, and I will definitely place it something like this way. Now it's look good. So I am going to text anything like discount offer 30%, and let's see which font they use on Anthony. So I am going to use the Anthony also. So I will place it here. So now actually you can see we already placed some text over here. Now if you want to add something like any text, so let's add Nike, and then I will take the text, which one will be good, and I will increase the size of the text, and then I will make it like I want to place it behind the image. So as you can see it, we already place it. So here as you can see it, we already place it. Now if you want to add any other text or any other effect, you are allowed to add it here. So here we have couple of things. You just need to explore it one by one, then you will find out things that are essential for you, which will be useful or you can utilize perfectly. You can use it, like you can place it the graphics. If you find the graphics good, just you can place anywhere you want. There's a couple of things you have, you just need to explore it. Then when you will find out, you can easily use with your design properly. So I can say that now you know how to design a product in Canva step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Canva tips and design guides every week. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I am always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.